NLP is a set of extremely powerful principles and techniques that have helped millions of people to lead more fulfilled and happier lives, whether that be their personal lives or professional lives, or both. Indeed, one of the massive benefits of NLP is that when we apply NLP to one part of our lives, it inevitably has a beneficial effect on other parts of our lives. Neuro refers to our brains and the way in which we think. Our brains process everything we experience via our senses, sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste, and gives those experiences meaning. As we develop from children into adults, we learn to think in certain ways at certain times. Sometimes these thought patterns are helpful, sometimes they are not. Understanding and applying NLP allows us to identify helpful thought patterns and change or eliminate unhelpful thought patterns. Linguistic refers to the language we use to communicate with others, and more importantly, ourselves. We spend a lot of time talking to ourselves, and that little voice inside our head is so powerful. Understanding and applying NLP can help us to ensure that the little voice is encouraging and supporting, rather than negative and critical. NLP can also help us to communicate far more efficiently with others, such as our partners, children, parents, colleagues, customers, and clients. Programming refers to the way in which we carry out action in our daily lives. Our programming is determined by our thoughts and feelings at any given time. Understanding and applying NLP helps us to take positive action to achieve our life goals, and also allows us to eliminate any negative actions we may take by understanding and changing the thought patterns that drive the action. NLP was developed in the 1970s by Dr. Richard Bandler and John Grinder. They were fascinated by the study of excellence in others, especially three leading experts in the field of human development at the time: Milton Erickson, a clinical hypnotist, Virginia Satir, a family therapist, and Fritz Perls, a psychiatrist who is responsible for the development of Gestalt therapy. Since its inception in the 70s, NLP has become a worldwide phenomenon that has helped millions of people to enhance the quality of their lives and their performance in work. NLP can help massively in the following areas: personal development, taking your life to new levels of happiness and fulfillment, and dealing with some of the things that might get in the way, such as limiting beliefs, phobias, and unpleasant memories. Business development, enhancing your performance in your chosen career, improving your ability to set and achieve stretching goals, overcoming setbacks, enhancing your communication, improving team performance, coaching, and so much more. Relationships, helping you to understand and communicate more effectively with partners, children, parents, colleagues, managers, clients, customers, and of course, yourself. Well-being. A healthy body definitely stems from a healthy mind. NLP will help to get your mind right. Achieving excellence. NLP is all about the study of excellence. You may never achieve perfection, but you can live a life that is far more fulfilling. To find out more about NLP and how it can help you, go to www.nlpbytlp.com or call 0800 292 2450 today.